my fellow viewers. My name is Nur Fitri Maisara binti Muhammad Fazil and my matriculation number is 0511-030109-58001. I am currently a semester 5 student in the Faculty of Education, pursuing a Bachelor of Teaching Primary Education with honors at Open University Malaysia, Batu Pahat Learning Centre. This video is recorded from my subject Oumh 1303 English for Oral Communication. Before I begin, I would like you to imagine something. Imagine you are in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by dolphins. Suddenly, one dolphin makes a unique sound, and instantly, another dolphin responds and swims toward it. Now, imagine standing near a busy road where a crowd carefully waits for the traffic light to turn red before collecting its food. This situation may seem surprising, but they show that animals are capable of communicating and thinking in ways that are more complex than we expect. Today, I would like to present a report on how animals communicate in unique and intelligent ways. In this report, I will focus on several examples of animals' communication, including dolphins, crows, ants, elephants, and bees. I will also explain how these methods help them survive and interact with each other. First, let us look at dolphins. Dolphins communicate mainly through sounds, especially whistles. What makes this interesting is that each dolphin has its own unique whistle, which functions like a personal name. For example, when a dolphin is separated from its group, it can produce its specific whistle to call others. Other dolphins are able to recognize this sound and respond to it. This shows that dolphins are not simply making random noises, but are using specific signals to identify individuals within their group. In addition, dolphins are known to have a strong memory. They can remember their unique whistles for many years, even after being separated for a long time. This suggests that dolphins have a high level of social awareness and intelligence. Furthermore, dolphins often travel and hunt in groups, so effective communication helps them coordinate their movement and maintain strong social bonds. This clearly shows that dolphin communication is both meaningful and highly organized. Next, let us look at crows. Crows are widely known as one of the most intelligent bird species. Their communication is not limited to sounds, but also includes behavior and observation. For instance, some crows have been observed dropping hard nuts onto busy roads. They rely on passing cars to crack the nuts open. What is even more impressive is that these crows wait for the traffic light to turn red before going down to collect their food. This behavior shows that crows are able to observe human patterns, understanding timing, and adjust their action accordingly. This is not just instinct, but a clear example of problem solving and learning through experience. In addition, crows can also produce different calls to warn others about danger or to communicate within their group. This shows that their communication plays an important role in both survival and cooperation. Moving on, ants communicate in a completely different way, which is through chemical signals. When an ant finds food, it releases a scent trail on the ground as it walks back to the colony. Other ants detect this chemical trail and follow it directly to the food source. What makes this more interesting is the strength of the scent can vary. If the food source is large or valuable, the ant will produce a stronger scent trail. This attracts more ants to the location, allowing them to work together efficiently. This form of communication does not involve sound or visual signals, yet it is extremely effective. It shows that ants are capable of organized teamwork even without direct interaction. As a result, ants are able to build complex systems and maintain highly different colonies. As a result, ants are able to build complex systems and maintain highly efficient colonies. Another important example is elephants. Elephants communicate using very low frequency sounds known as infrasound. These sounds are too low for humans to hear, but they can travel across several kilometers. This allows elephants to stay connected with members of the group even they are far apart. In addition to sound, elephants also use touch and body language. For example, they may use their trunks to comfort younger elephants or guide them. This behavior shows that elephants have strong emotional awareness and social bonds. Their communication is not only about survival, but also about maintaining a relationship within their group. Overall, elephant communication is both physical and emotional, making it highly advanced. In addition to these animals, bees also have a unique and highly organized way to communicating. Bees use something called the waggle dance to inform other bees about the location of food. The direction of the dance shows where the food is located, while the duration of the movement indicates the distance. This allows other bees to locate the food source accurately. Even though this method does not involve sound, it is very precise and effective. This shows that even small insects are capable of complex communication systems. From all these examples, we can clearly see that animals' communication is not simple or random. Different animals use different methods, such as sound, behavior, chemical signals, and movement. Each method is suitable for the animal's environment and lifestyle. For example, dolphins rely on sound in water, while ants depend on chemical signals on land. This shows that communication plays a very important role in survival, cooperation, and social interaction. In conclusion, animals communicate in many unique and intelligent ways, from dolphins using individual whistles to cross-solving problems, ants working through centrals, elephants communicating over long distances, and bees using movement. We can see that communication exists in many different forms. These examples show that animals are more intelligent and organized than we often assume. Understanding how animals communicate can help us appreciate them more and encourage us to protect their natural habitats. As a student in Bachelor of Teaching program, this project is very meaningful to me. It shows me that even animals in nature have important stories to tell. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new today. Understanding animals' communication can contribute to a better future in science and health. Thank you so much to my grader and to everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.